Hello everyone! In this video, I want to talk about the all-new Flipgrid camera. There are so many enhancements to this Flipgrid camera. I'm so excited to show you all the options. So when you go into Flipgrid, now you will see a big red button to record a response. So when I go into that, I can still press the red button to begin my recording. And now if you press the effects button, you are going to get a whole lot of options. Let's start with filters. So there is the pixel mode, there is the bricks mode, which is all new, and then there are a bunch of other filters. Here's a rainbow mode. I'm going to stick with the rainbow right now. So if I go back, let me show you some other things. There's frames, that is also all new. So I can choose different frames from here, even some little backgrounds, underwater, unicorn. I'm gonna stick with this rainbow theme right here. So let me go back. And there's the emojis, which there always were. There's just a lot more options now, and there's an easy way to search the stickers also. So if you click through the different categories, look at this. There's ASL. I'm going to go into these reactions and choose something a little bit mathy. Let's get a little pie symbol. I'm gonna move that over here. Great. Go back to effects and the text tool. There are more text options now. So let's choose this superpower. And so I can type that. I can move it around just like that. I could also change the background color, the stroke color, all of that good stuff. I'm going to go back again. And then there's a drawing tool. So that works just like it used to. I can draw anywhere on the screen. And then what I'm most excited about is this board option. So we had the whiteboard and blackboard before. Now we have some grids and a dot grid, graph, all that stuff, lined paper even. So I'm gonna do whiteboard, but look at this split screen. Whoa, hi. So I could keep myself in the corner here, and then I could go back and use my drawing tool, and I could write with a pen just right here as you see me. So that is a really cool option that is brand new. If I go back into effects, the last thing is photo here. And so that would be a way for you to upload any image from your desktop. So you could even upload a snapshot of a PDF and you could mark it up and ink it up. So that could be really fun. I'm going to press next. And then at that point, you can review your response just like you always could. And then you're going to snap your selfie. Again, with the selfie, you can add the effects right in here. So if you wanted to even add a little text box and then strike a pose, take a picture. There we go. And then press the next button as you always would. And then don't forget that you can put a title in here, and the title can be a nice way to add a little something else, and then submit it. And now I'm on the grid. That's my name, that's my title. There's my little video. So one more thing that I want to show before I hop off is one other option that you have. If you click on the options here, then we have the screen recording, which is one of my favorite things also. So you can just start your screen recording, and this would be a way to, for example, you have some slides, you have a slideshow, something like that you want to be showing. Say I want to be showing this slideshow presentation that I have. I can just do that right from here. When you're done, just go back, stop recording.
Slides, you have a slideshow, something like that you want to be showing.
Easy way to do a little screen recording. If you have some things you need to trim, you can always just double click on the clip and trim it down a little bit, confirm. So I want to keep this short and sweet, but I just wanted to really highlight the new effects, which are amazing. And then also if you click on the options, that's where you're going to find the screen recording, upload a clip from your computer, and so forth, and effects. And don't forget about the board. Have some fun with this split screen and see all the possibilities that you can do. Easy to just start with something like this, you in the corner, the whiteboard on this side. If you don't want to write on the screen, you could always pull in a photo, pull in something maybe school related, or Buddy, my dog. You can resize that. move it around. And now another feature is that you can even change layers. So if you have multiple images that you're pulling in, I'm gonna just duplicate this one for now to keep things simple. 2 pictures of Buddy. I can move that photo forward or backwards. So this would be move it to the back. And if I want this image to, again, pop up to the front, then I just hit the up arrow. So those arrows, this is to the front, and this is backwards a level. So those are some of the new features. Have a lot of fun with it. That's my short introduction to the all-new Flipgrid camera. That's all for now. Bye-bye.